What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great start of this week, and welcome to this new video on Rndr. Wanted to do a full technical update on that, but also I have some other things I wanted to say about the current state of Rndr and what to expect. I mean, as you can see, at this point of time I expect us to drop down all the way to $1.4, which is quite a big drop actually, I know that. But I do have my reasons for why I expect that, and I'll line that out in this video, apart from talking about the technicals. So before we get into the rest of the video and Rndr, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join my profitable trading signal group, including a chat room where I, for example, gave a sell order, or at least I shared a sell order for Rndr here at 1.82, which I'm still in. But yeah, right now, so as I said, right, the market right now is not in a good state. Bitcoin showed some bullish momentum yesterday and Saturday as well, but overall you can see that Rndr followed that fairly well. There's still quite a lot of bullish momentum in Rndr, to be honest with you. Even though I think we're going to drop, it still is. We react very well to bullish momentum. But overall, what you can see for Rndr, and this has been the case multiple times, is that we've just had these rallies that just resulted in big drops. And we've had that at the beginning of February, then another time, but this was together with the market. And I think this is just another one of those rallies. I mean, obviously, there's also good things about Rndr. As I said earlier, it's a great project. The project is in some type of a narrative. But apart from that, what we also talked about in my previous Rndr videos is that there was something with the volume which could indicate some manipulation. Apart from that, I think Bitcoin is going to fall down lower. So there's also increased bearish momentum in the markets altogether. And bearish pressure. So that also trickles down to Rndr. So overall, what I expect is that you can see you have this major resistance level between 1.85 and 1.8. I think that's too strong. I do not think we can break above that. And I think we'll just slowly stay in this consolidation between 1.6 and 1.75. And at some point of time, I expect so much bearish momentum from Bitcoin that we'll have this bearish breakout through, I would say the main level holding us up really is 1.6. So if we break down below that, we'll just have that break retest, and then we'll drop down to probably like 1.4. There's this trend line which we will probably find some support at as well. But altogether, I do not think that trend line would do anything that would stop us from falling down all the way to 1.4 as well. So that's why I think we'll fall down all the way to 1.4. Now, I must say that right now, with that trend line and the 200 EMA coming up to back up that 0.618 fib around 1.6 and 1.61, it is a strong support. And and I won't lie about that, Rndr still has some massive support. So I do not think we can expect a massive drop soon, but I do think it's more likely that we'll have that bearish breakout and then something like this, right? Find some support at the trend line and then a continued drop. I think that's more likely than that we will be able to break above 1.85 and rally all the way up to 2.2 again. But yeah, I mean, this is also a possibility, but I think the chances of that are just so low and are only possible if Bitcoin starts rallying again. So yeah, that's my take on Rndr for now. If you do have any questions, then as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.